family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be sharing some of our hauls. Today we went out and we went to the grocery store, Walmart, and Dollar Tree, and we got a little bit of everything from each of them. So I'm going to share that with you. So I hope you'll decide to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any new videos as I upload. So thank you for stopping by. So today I'll start with Chad's little haul. You know, my husband, he loves to do his own thing. He got him some White Castles, some chicken parm from this Boston Market. I think those are supposed to be pretty good. And he got him some, where are they at? Cookies, Danish wedding cookies. And the two of the candy apples, caramel and the candied apple. He loves those. So I've been promising Amelia that we'd make banana splits. So I got some bananas, a big pile of bananas. She loves the Clisso's ranch dressing, you know that. Got us some walnuts in syrup. She loves the pizza rolls for lunch. Also the fries, crinkle fries. She likes to dip these in the Clisso's. She also likes to dip carrot sticks in Clisso's, chips in Clisso's, and nuggets in Clisso's. She'll dip about anything in Clisso's ranch dressing. Got us some hot fudge sauce, some buttermilk. Y'all know I like my buttermilk cornbread as a snack. I got us some brioche bread and some Tillamook extra sharp white cheddar for some grown-up grilled cheese. I got us some white bread, some cherries for our banana splits. Peppa, I forgot our whipped topping. You know, like the spray one. You might have to go get us some tomorrow. Some box butter, sour cream, some Parmesan fresh, 2 large cans of crushed tomatoes. I'm going to be doing the recipe tomato basil soup, so I'll be sharing that soon. 2 boxes of instant vanilla pudding. I'll be sharing my banana pudding recipe. That'll be something, we usually do that at Thanksgiving, so it's my husband's favorite, and it's his mom's recipe, so I'll be sharing that with you all. Eagle brand milk, condensed milk, some biscuits, a dozen eggs, some sweet onions. My grandbaby likes these Belvita breakfast bars and Pop-Tarts for breakfast. I got a bunch of apples to make some apple butter in my pressure cooker. Some Cocoa Pebbles, vanilla wafers, K-Cups, and also some microwave bacon for my grandbaby because she loves bacon. Well, can't reach it. But that's what we got. We didn't get a whole lot. We done like a $300 haul a little over a week ago. But this came to $124, and I'm telling you, groceries are going up and up and up. But I'm going to put this on time lapse. We'll put it away, and then I'm going to share with you our Walmart haul. So I hope you stay tuned. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It helps me in the algorithm on my YouTube channel. I've got my groceries put away, and I'm going to show you what we got at Walmart. The Walmart total came to with tax, $183, which I think is utterly ridiculous. It really is. Plastic cups, some Dawn Power Wash. I got some things to decorate for Halloween night in my dining room and also to serve. So I'm going to be making some snacks with these cookies, some fudge stripes, Chessman cookies. I got some cupcake, stuff to make cupcakes. I'm going to be doing that night. Some black icing. I'm also going to be using these Oreo Halloween cookies. My husband picked this up for my grandbaby, Kid Cuisine, chicken nuggets and macaroni and corn. She loves corn and macaroni too. Some of these peanut butter and cheese crackers. I'm going to be doing a craft with these Kleenex, and I'll be sharing that as well. Some blow pops I'll be using. Some more Chessman and Milano cookies I'm going to be using in a dessert for Halloween. Snack cups, pudding. She loves chocolate pudding, and kisses. All this is going to be in a snack for Halloween. My husband bought some Swiss cake rolls and old people candy. He loves these circus peanuts. I told him it's because he's a clown. And I got some black matte paint to use. We needed some body wash, so we just picked this up. Some garbage bags. I got some batteries, AAA, AA, some command hooks, a couple of these little green trees I thought were so cute. They were $3 a piece. These little picks, I think these were 98 cents. And I thought this was so pretty at Walmart. This deer horn, I think that was $3.98 if I'm not mistaken. And then I got some white balloons and a white table cover I'm going to make some crafts with. This is some stuff for Halloween night, some ghost cobwebs, this little plate, skeleton, and ghost. I think these were $1 or $1.98 or 98 cents. They weren't much. Some spiders, a Halloween banner, a Halloween tablecloth, and a black tray. And I'm going to be sharing all my crafts that I'm making and some of my desserts too and snacks that I'll be making. So like I said, if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to do that so you don't miss out, because I'm going to have some neat things coming up soon. But anyway, I'm going to put this away and I'll show you what I got at Dollar Tree, which wasn't very much at all. It was their new Dollar Tree that just opened, and their stock was really down. But I think it's just because everybody's been shopping so much there where it's new. Okay. Some of the things in that Walmart haul, I remember what made it so much now, is we got some paper towels, tissue paper, and Tide. And that stuff's outrageous. Plus a big thing of garbage bags. So this is my Dollar Tree haul. I didn't get very much. A couple disposable pans. I got some of these Lay's. They're sort of like Pringles. My grandbaby loves chips, and it's something she'll just snack on with her lunch or whatever. And we spent $19.90, so we didn't get very much there. I got some Boom Chicka Pop, some ring pops. My husband got these butter pretzels and some Dum Dum Pops, which I'm going to use those for a project. Also got this table runner now for $1. Isn't that crazy? I think it's pretty. He got my grandbaby some stickers. I'll put those out. I'm going to make some boo bags for my nieces and nephews. I've got 4 that's here. And I got these little cute bags and this straw paper to put in it. And I got some little surprises for them. So I'll be fixing those up for them for Halloween. So when they come by, they have something cute. But that's all my Dollar Tree haul. So I thank you all for watching. I hope you like this video. Like I said, give it a thumbs up if you do. It really helps me out. I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't done that. Also, follow me on Instagram. And I hope you like this video. God bless you, and you have a great day. See you soon. Bye.